Hello, I'm Rob Jones, Technical Solutions Specialist for uvex UK, and today we're going to talk about safety footwear. The HSE specifies that all PPE equipment needs to be properly inspected prior to use. Safety footwear, however, is often overlooked. The four key areas for inspection are 1. The upper, 2. The laces, 3. The insole, and 4. The sole unit. Firstly, let's look at the upper. Here we have to check for wear and tear, splits in the upper material or additional debris that can either be wiped or brushed off, as this can erode the material and stitching, reducing the product's life and protective qualities. Now let's look at the laces. Check laces for wear and tear and replace if worn. The laces hold the footwear securely in place, giving stability and reducing the risk of sprains and strains, which is particularly important when working on uneven terrain. Thirdly, the insole. Insoles can be sponge cleaned and air dried after use. If there's any excessive wear, then replace the insole with one that has been tested in conjunction with the footwear. And lastly, the sole unit. Remove excess debris from the tread and check for any cracks or wear points. This is especially important on the main contact points of the footwear, such as the heel or toe areas, because this is where your foot has the least contact with the ground, increasing the risk of slips or trips, and therefore, if these areas are worn, replace the footwear. It's important to know that excessive wear on the outside or inside of the sole unit can be an indication that the foot is not being correctly supported within the footwear and may suggest that corrective insoles could help. Another factor to consider is the toe area, which includes the toe cap, the upper material, and if it has one, the scuff cap. Excessive wear can cause the toe unit to fail in the case of an impact accident. If the toe cap is visible through the upper, then the safety footwear must be replaced, as its integral protection properties of the footwear may be compromised. The upper material acts as the first line of defence for the toe cap. When worn or torn, it exposes the cap to direct impact, potentially damaging it and reducing its ability to protect your toes. Purchasing safety footwear with a scuff cap can increase the longevity of the footwear, especially for people who spend time kneeling, such as engineers or maintenance staff, or those working in particularly aggressive environments such as construction or civil engineering. The toe area is a high wear zone, especially for people who are kneeling frequently. Scuff caps offer an extra layer of abrasion resistance, shielding the upper from scuffs, scrapes and general wear and tear. By preventing damage to the upper, scuff caps significantly extend the lifespan of your safety footwear. This translates to cost savings in the long run, as you won't need to replace the boots as often. Construction sites and similar environments are tough on safety footwear. Scuff caps offer an extra layer of defence against sharp objects and rough surfaces, making them ideal for these demanding workplaces. If you'd like to learn more about the subject that we've covered today, please go to uvex-safety.co.uk.